Good morning and welcome back. So as we're starting off the morning, we have that heavy rain. You've probably already woken up to it early this morning. We actually have a cold front moving through the region. So this is the setup. We even have a small area of low pressure in Wisconsin. That's going to lift northeast, and that's going to continue to bring in some of the heavy rain as we go throughout the next couple of hours. Here's a closer look at that rain from west to east right now, mainly concentrated across the north central parts of the UP with some of the more heavier downpours at the moment. So a little bit of moderate rain though right now along US 41 in southern Baraga County, just south of Covington and south of Michigami early this morning. This is going to move into Marquette here over the next half hour or so. So not done with that heavy rain in Marquette County. Across Alger County, that's where the heaviest rain is located at, with some torrential downpours. Now is shifted just east of Munising. So this is across eastern Alger County along M28, also as depicted by the hues of red and the darker shades of red there. So flash flood warning still in effect for parts of Dickinson, Marquette, and Alger counties. That's in the red there, continuing through 10 o'clock in the morning. The rest of the area in the green, that's a flash flood watch, which will expire at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is what it looks like hour by hour. 8 o'clock in the morning, mainly across the central UP, eastern UP by 10 o'clock in the morning. By midday, the bulk of it should be out of the area, but we'll still see some lingering rain showers. And then later on in the afternoon is when a lot of this stuff, a lot of that cloud cover finally clears out. We'll have some strong winds shift out of the northwest, so it will be breezy this afternoon, but still heavy rain. The biggest concern this morning, as a lot of us could still see about 2 to 3 inches of rain, and mainly that access is along pretty much stretching from, say, Marquette County down into Iron County as we go into this afternoon. The rest of us about 1 to 2 inches of rain. Regardless of how much more rain we do get, we've received enough rain, enough as it is. So those soils are super saturated, and flooding will continue to be a concern across the area. Temperatures as we go into this afternoon staying in those 60s. In fact, they'll be dropping as we go throughout the day. Tomorrow, improving. We'll have high pressure move in, and the trend looks like it's going to remain sunny, dry, and seasonal as we go into this weekend. Today, though, continuing with that heavy rain this morning, low 60s to the west to near 70 degrees across the east. Tonight, clear skies expected. Temperatures much cooler inland. Overnight lows in those 40s. Looking ahead, after today's heavy rain, we'll see much nicer conditions for the rest of the week. Andrew.